Inbound Flatbed, do you have a copy?
Yeah, this is the first time here.
You're here for a steel pickup?
Yes.
You need to make a left where you're at, then take an immediate right. Go across the gravel lot up to the shipping scale, turn to channel 10. He'll take your information and help you out.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome, Scott. You're going to 710 in the yard. I'll take outbound.
See, I knew I wasn't doing it right. That's why I'll tell them this is my first time here. And then that way they have to tell me what to do instead of me trying to guess and then get all in the way and everything else. So I will, by doing that, it makes them tell me what I have to do. That way there's no confusion, hopefully no confusion.
Scale house.
Yeah, driver.
Yeah, it's first time here.
Alright, load number, first name, and where you're going.
Load ID, first name Daniel, going to Shelby, Ohio.
Alright, you can go ahead and come on up to scale. While you're coming up to scale, I want to go ahead and let you know the speed limit in the facility is 10 miles per hour. You must wear your hard hat and safety glasses all times you're outside your truck. Shorts, sleeveless shirts, and sandals are not allowed on property. And cell phone use is not allowed while driving or loading. Copy?
Yes, copy, thank you.
Alright, you're going to be picking up 5 bundles, 35 footers. That's going to be loading inside the warehouse to your left. Right now, you're going to be in the standby lot. Behind you, the way you just came is a one-way. You're going to have to enter through the backside. You'll do a U-turn left off scale and start angling off to the right through this parking lot. That'll get you to the backside of that lot. When you pull in there, I'd like you to pull into the west side. I keep empties on the west side and loadeds on the east side. Start setting up your wood to load. They're going to call you by your truck number, 12532, when they have a door for you. You're going to come back past the scale to the road in front of your truck and turn left. And you're going to go about halfway down and pull straight into the bay. When you're done loading, you'll pull straight out the other side into the gravel lot to strap down. Bring it back and I'll get you scaled out of here. Again, 5 bundles, 35 footers inside the warehouse to your left for now. You turn left off scale and start angling off to the right through this parking lot. I'll get you to the backside gravel lot behind you. Start setting up.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yep.
That is how it should be done. Very precise, clear, directions. No questions. I give them a lot of credit, or that guy a lot of credit. That is how it should be done. Go outside, get my wood set up, and we'll be ready to load. Talk to you in a bit.
Copy. How about it, Daniel? You got a copy? 12532.
Yeah, this is Daniel.
Door 3, first bay.
Thank you.
let's take a look at our load. All right, here's our load. We got, I call them steel rods. Pretty simple to load. I call this a barrel wrap. Wrap it all the way around. What that does is squeeze them together. Straps cross. Let's see, we'll go in the back, take a look at this barrel strap and how I do that. That's about the only odd thing about this load. So if you notice barrel strap, you see how that strap goes up? You don't want it to go on the bottom. You want it to pull from the top down. And if you look at the back here, so what that strap does is it starts over on this side, comes across the top, goes around the bottom and comes back over and back down. And what that does is it squeezes all of the pipes together. Now, this place that I loaded these, one of the few places that have you help them load. And if I had to critique myself, I'll show you what I did wrong that I should have done differently. So they put these wood blocks in here to keep the pipe from moving into each other, and that way the crane can come in and put the chains around. And if you notice, I put the wood blocks on the outside of the dunnage. So if you look at the top, so I should have put the blocks on the inside there. So and like this one here is a little bit loose, but it's not going to go anywhere, and that was one reason why I put the strap down at the very end. So next time I won't do that. So like you say, see that I should have put this block on this side, that way it's not on the outside of the load, it's on the inside. But they won't move. So anyway, you can see what the rods look like. Oh, the other thing I did, they loaded these with an overhead crane, and the crane operator sitting in the overhead crane. I went ahead, I carry a can of spray paint, and I just real quick put a black line where the center of the trailer is, so that when they're loading them down, he knows where to position them on the center of the trailer. So it just makes it a little bit easier with the overhead crane. So other than that, look pretty good. Up here's riding good. Same thing up here. You can see that I call it a barrel strap. Some people call it a cinch strap. It goes all the way around, and then back down. And what that does is it kind of squeezes everything together. These aren't oiled, so don't have to worry about a bulkhead. These aren't oiled, so I don't need a bulkhead. They're not going to go anywhere. So if they're oily, like I've hauled the ones that are oily and they're slippery and they'll shoot out. These, they're so long and banded together that they're not going to go anywhere. All right, let's go ahead. I gotta get one tank of fuel, make our way in Ohio so we can go get the parking spot. We're gonna go deliver in the morning. They start receiving about 7 o'clock, so we'll go ahead and get on out of here. Let's double check on Callie. I don't fall. So there's Callie right there. So she's doing good. So all right, let's get out of here. Talk to you guys later. I'm gonna end it right now because it's gonna be late when I get up there. So thanks for watching. All right, talk to you later.